एवरीवन। सो मैंने चेक इन कर लिया है होटल में एंड चेक इन वॉज वेरी स्मूथ. इट वॉज नॉट दो डिफिकल्ट. There were formalities that took 10 to 15 minutes for me because of the pandemic. There are a lot of precautions they are taking. So they have to fill there. We have to fill so many forms, so many details we have to provide them, that from where we are coming, how many days we have to stay, we have been vaccinated or not, and so many things they have to clear it with us, because no one take the chances, that the situation is not well this time. And it is not bad as such, because these are for us only. We have to be very, we have to be mature for these things, so that we should not take for granted these things, and we should help them in their ways. So everything is well, so it is not a bad thing. अब मैं आपको अपना रूम दिखाता हूँ कि ताज होटल का रूम इन्होंने कैसा दिया हुआ है, जहाँ पे मैं अपने फ्रेंड के साथ अभी स्टे करूँगा. Then we will meet for some meetings and see कैसा होता है. So this is from inside, and that everyone knows what happens here. You have to put the key here, and the key here, then light will be on. So I will flip my camera and show the room how it is there, what the facilities they have been given us. So let's get the passageway. There is a beautiful mirror they have provided you, and this was the entrance. This was the entrance. So the entrance nearby they have given us one closet. Yeah, this is the closet, and one, obviously that every other photos provide you safe to keep your money safe. And as we enter here, I will show you these tables where we kept our baggages here, and one more mirror with window. The two people are here, so we have requested it to upgrade our room, but it was not possible, so no issue. They provide you this TV. This is the game table. You will get the 6 bottle, a lot of coffee, lemon tea, and so on. I will show you. See first. This is the door, window side, and they have told me that your room is the lake view side. So let's see, is it lake view? How it looks like outside the hotel. Oh my God, it's so amazing, yeah. It's not that much bad, yeah. They have provided the window still, concealed window, no? My room is on 5th floor, 514 room number. The Taj Banjara Hotels, group of Taj Hotels. Yeah, this is our beds. Very beautiful night lamps, and this is the history. You know what? In every Taj you will see these kind of the pictures. Here they given us barcode. You scan these on your Google camera, and you will get in dining room what they are providing in room dinings. What is the beverage menu? You can call night menu, duty managers. They provided a pencil and the note you want to see. They have provided you this, what you can call. Then again, opposite side of the bed, same table is provided, night lamp is provided. Let's see, it is working or not. Yeah, it's working here. It's looking cool, yes. So it's very beautiful. Now again, let's move the main part of this. Washroom, that is most important part of any hotel. Very nice. It's not bad that much, yeah. They have provided you everything, so you don't need to bring anything. Means you will get the safety kit. Safety kit means that razor, brush, conditioner, shampoo, shower gel, etc. Yeah. Oh my God! Look at the back side. What is there? Oh my God! ये भी है क्या? Oh, bathtub. Not bad, yeah. It's okay. I've never been in any Taj hotel, so I don't know what it look like. But yeah, वीडियोस में मैंने जैसा कि देखा हुआ है, वीडियोस में हमने देखा ही है कि सारे ताज ऑलमोस्ट एक जैसे ही दिखते हैं. I will show you the corridor area, how the corridor it look like. Yeah, lighting का issue है friends because of the back side sun is there, so I will flip again the camera and show you the corridor area. Not that much, but it's okay. This is the exit area. I'm staying on the room number 514 fifth floor. Lighting is quite decent. Let's enter once more. This time I will let's close the door. चलो अभी बात करते हैं. So this was the review and I will show you the whole lobby area. Yeah, it is very good. I have seen it when I was downstairs. So जब मैं अभी नीचे जाऊंगा तो मैं आपको पूरा लॉबी एरिया का भी एक टूर दूंगा. कि सेकेंड है ताज बंजारा होटल्स इन हैदराबाद. सो आफ्टर ब्रेकफास्ट अभी थोड़ा सा सोचा मैं एक अच्छा सा टूर ले लूँ होटल का. एंड मैं अभी कैमरा फ्लिप करके आपको इनसाइड आउटसाइड चारों तरफ का एक ब्यूटीफुल व्यू दिखाऊंगा. कि एक लेक के किनारे ये बना हुआ है. एंड वन मोर थिंग दैट वन ऑफ द चीपेस्ट 5-star होटल आई हैव सीन in Hyderabad and got the very good offer on Goibibo. So my stay was for 3 nights and it was totally with inclusive of the breakfast. It was below 10,000, so I was very happy and the service was quite good. One thing was you will get very happy that the breakfast is very tasty, delicious breakfast, dinner or lunch. Yeah, the price is like that 5-star, you know, very high. So if you go for a breakfast, you take the buffet breakfast, otherwise you will be charged by 3,000 4,000 in your breakfast if you go for separate breakfast. So मैं अभी एक कैमरा फ्लिप करता हूँ आप लोग को और कैमरा फ्लिप करके आपको चारों तरफ का एक ब्यूटीफुल व्यू दिखाता हूँ कि कैसा है. ये बैक साइड में अभी हूँ मैं. मेरा रूम नंबर 5th फ्लोर पे है. तो एक जस्ट दिखाता हूँ मैं कैसा होगा यहाँ. ये ताज बंजारा बैनर लगा हुआ है. यस, बिकॉज ऑफ द पैंडमिक आप लोग को कहीं भी चहल पहल नहीं दिखाई देगी. आई थिंक ये वन ऑफ द ओपन रेस्टोरेंट था जो कि ये पैंडमिक के चक्कर में सारी चीज़ें बंद हो चुकी हैं. इसका एम्बियंस, जैकब बोला कि ताज का एम्बियंस इज़ ऑलवेज वेरी. मुंबई ताज, हैदराबाद ताज और नाउ हैदराबाद ताज में मैं हूँ अभी. सो मैं अभी आपको अंदर ले जाता हूँ और सारा आपका लाउंज एरिया, ब्रेकफास्ट एरिया एंड वाटर साइड कैफ़े, ये सारी चीज़ें मैं आपको 1 by 1 करके दिखाऊंगा कैमरा जब फ्लिप होगा. इतना भी मज़ेदार नहीं है. और घी में बना है, बहुत टेस्ट है. साउथ इंडियन डिश साउथ में ही अच्छा लगता है. नॉर्थ में हम लोग इसको जीरा मिर्चा सब डाल के मसाला एक्सपेरिमेंट कर देते हैं इस पर। साउथ इंडियन डिश साउथ में खाओ, मजा आएगा। जो जंगल चटनी है इतना टेस्टी है, इतना टेस्टी है, ये भी फेल हो जाएगा। इसका रेसिपी सीखना पड़ेगा, सीरियसली बता रहा हूँ, बहुत टेस्टी है।